Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Shark RV2310 Matrix Robot Vacuum, a powerful cleaning companion designed to leave no spots missed on carpets and hard floors. With its Matrix Clean technology, this robot vacuum utilizes a precision grid to make multiple passes over dirt and debris, ensuring deep cleaning coverage throughout your home. Its incredible suction power tackles even the toughest messes, while the self-cleaning brush roll, equipped with power fins, digs deep into carpets and directly engages hardwood floors to pull up debris, hair, and dirt from all surfaces. Thanks to its 360 degrees lidar vision, the RV2310 quickly and accurately maps your home, allowing it to methodically clean while detecting and avoiding objects in its path, adapting seamlessly to everyday changes. Perfect for homes with pets, this vacuum's powerful suction and self-cleaning brush roll capture pet hair, dust, and dander with ease. With the SharkClean app, you can customize your cleaning experience by targeting specific rooms or spots, initiating Matrix Clean for 30% better cleaning on carpets and hard floors, and setting cleaning schedules from anywhere. Plus, with convenient hands-free cleaning, you can activate the whole home, room, or spot cleaning with just a tap in the app or by using voice control with Google Assistant or Alexa. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.